Outstanding design defines the 2018 Ford Focus. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and ABS brakes. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.